Hello, this is Greg with Automotive SmartPay. Would you like to eliminate all the credit card processing fees that you're currently paying with your shop software, but keep the same software? If so, we have an awesome solution for you called ShopConnect Pro. Our system that we provide here at Automotive SmartPay automatically integrates with it. That way you don't have to step outside your existing software that you're using. Comes with next morning funding, no contract. Just hang with me for a minute. You're really gonna like this. So here's our Deja Vu dual pricing card system. Comes with next morning funding and no contracts. I'll type in a transaction, show you how it works. $100. Tap OK, tap sale. Customer facing. If you notice, there's card and cash tiles. If you like, we could eliminate the cash tile and just have a card tile only. Your customer will tap their card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Android Pay, digital wallet, however they would like to pay. Also, we can have where you'll have a credit tile and a cash tile, and you can just simply ask the customer how they would like to pay. So hang tight, see the rest of the video. You're really going to enjoy the integration. It keeps you with your existing software, but eliminates all your card processing fees. Once your merchant account is set up by the Automotive SmartPay team, simply download the ShopConnect Pro extension and continue working inside the software you use every day. No complicated onboarding or workflow changes or disruptions to your business. When an invoice is opened, the ShopConnect Pro automatically detects the transaction directly inside your platform. Your team can immediately process the payments without leaving the screen they already work in every day. Accept payments through the terminals we provide, and you will experience text-to-pay and email options for your customers. Whether payments are collected in person or remotely, they will get a fast, secure payment experience designed to simplify collections and keep cash flowing. Once the payment is completed, it automatically syncs back into your software. No manual entry or disconnected systems, and certainly no payment processing fees with our dual pricing system. This is Greg Kapitan with Automotive SmartPay. Give me a call or send me a text, 801-205-1955. Waiting for your call or your text. We'll talk soon.